Do you want to see how stable the new GoPro Hero 10 can be? Well, have I got a test for you. Let's get into it. Let's see how good this stabilization can be for the GoPro Hero 10. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel. And today what we're going to be doing is testing the stabilization and the horizon leveling on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to get on this nice little slope here and go as fast as I can. Now this turf is brand new, it's extremely rough. Every time I cut the grass here, I feel like I went 10 rounds with Tyson and all he did was kidney punch me. And so it's pretty rough. So it's definitely going to put the horizon leveling and the stability to the test. All we can do is make a pass with no stabilization on, see how rough it is, and then we're going to make a pass with it on, compare the two, let you decide. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so up first, no stabilization on an incline, wide open on all these bumps. Go ahead and do the no stabilization test. Okay, so how was that? Did it look like garbage or what? So now we have linear, horizon leveling, and Hypersmooth 4.0 on. Let's see how much better it handles it. Okay, so there you have it. With no stabilization, with stabilization, and horizon leveling with Hypersmooth 4.0. How did it handle the bumps, the jumps? Does it look way better? I haven't seen the footage yet, so I'm just going to let you decide how good the stabilization is on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you subscribe to an old man. I'm struggling to get to 1,000 subs. Help a brother out. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.